Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we enable reading mode setting in our Poco mobile guys. You want to enable your reading mode setting. Then how can you enable and how can you use your reading mode setting in your Poco phone? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys, open your phone setting. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting in your Poco phone. So let's click on guys your display setting. Then guys scroll friends, you can see reading mode setting guys, you can see your reading mode setting. Friends, you want to enable, you can enable. After enable guys, you can see there are two guys, classic and paper guys. You want to change this color, you can see this mode color guys, you can change. And guys, you want to use this schedule reading mode schedule option guys, you can on and off from here in your Poco phone. So after enable reading mode guys, you can see screen color will change. So when you study at in your phone at night, so you should enable your reading mode setting, then guys you can operate your phone easily. So like that guys, you can enable your reading mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.